The homeopathic medicine we will mention today is called Bryonia. It is a medicine made from a plant. It is a polycrystal medicine. It works on different part of your body. Patient of Bryonia medicine definitely feel some important symptoms in themselves. The patient feel an increase in pain with movement and feels relief in pain by completely resting and lying down. By resting completely and lying down, the pain is relieved and feels calm. The patient has dryness from head to toe. All the mucous membrane inside the patient, that is the mucous membrane, remain dry. All digestive conditions are completely dry from the mouth to the intestines. Due to the dryness of the internal organs, patient often remain in a state of constipation. They have constipation. The patient of Bryonia also feels very thirsty. Since Bryonia is a right-sided medicine, it works very well on diseases occurring on the right side. In females, the period starts with bloody nose instead of menstruation. This is a very important symptom in some females patients. That is, if bleeding starts instead of menstruation, then such ladies should take Bryonia 30 potency mixed with 5 to 10 drops in 2 sips of water every 4 hours and use it every 4 hours. Then the condition will be cured within a day or two. In females, if the breast feels swollen and painful, hot and swollen, and there is pain in the nipples, the pain is so severe that the ladies have to hold the bra with support, then this condition you should use its potency 200. Bryonia makes a huge difference in dry cough if the patient has a headache and is dizzy. If there is an infection in the eardrum, there is an infection due to vertigo, then it also works very well in this. Pain in the joints, especially in the knees, swelling of the feet, swelling in the joints. Severe aching pain in which radish is relieved by a small movement. It works very well. In rheumatism, in fever, the patient feels cold and dry cough in which thirst occurs after a long time and even drinking plenty of water. Sweats even with a small movement. It works very well in typhoid fever, stomach and liver disorders. When there is something in the stomach that is causing pain and there is a problem in the liver, Bryonia also works very well. When he moves, the pain increases and the symptoms are aggravated by heat, touching hot objects and sitting up. In such a condition, you should use remedies for the symptoms. And the affected part of the body where the pain is occurring, the patient gets relief by lying on the side with the pain, applying pressure, resting and applying cold object. Thus, if there is a headache or fever. If you have a dry cough, joints pain or constipation, take 10 drops of Bryonia 30 potency in half a glass of water and use it morning, afternoon and evening. It works very well for this. Finally, I will briefly tell you the symptoms of Bryonia, which include dryness. It also constipation and movements increases the pain while lying down to rest, provides relief. Joints pain, fever and severe headaches. I hope you like this guide. Like and subscribe to my channel to see more such great videos.